that was after namin mag-almusal sa Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. And after nga namin mag-almusal, naglakad-lakad kami. Andiyan napalaro sila dyan sa park na yan. And after that, nag-picture taking na. At dahil free ang trip to Malaysia, so free shopping din tayo, guys. At dahil nga gutom na kami, so nagyaya kami na pumunta sa isang store na malaki doon sa Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. And nag-ikot-ikot pa kami niyan kung ano ba talaga ang kainin namin. I think that was around 3 o'clock na ng hapon. So, we decided na kumain ng Pizza Hut kasi ang sabi ng kapatid kong lalaki, hindi pa daw siya kumain ng Pizza Hut. Kaya, wish granted, bro. And after nga namin kumain, pumunta kami sa isang grocery store kasi magbibili kami ng inumin. Well, ikot kami ng ikot dyan. Gawa nung naghahanap kami ng Red Bull yata yun ng asawa ko o energy drink something. And napunta ako dyan sa mga cereal kasi dala yung kapatid kong babae. So ayan na nga kung ano-anong nakikita namin. Morning, guys. It's the sunshine. Today is 5 of January. 5 na, di ba? And it's our second day here in Sabah, Malaysia. In Kota Kinabalu.
Pulo na?
Ha?
Kota Kinabalu. Kota rin na.
And pupunta kami ngayon sa breakfast area. Malaki yung malaki yung hotel. Latok ako.
Ito yung tour guide nila dito.
Ha?
Ako tour guide.
Ha? Tour guide daw siya. Ayan, maganda yung area. Worth it. Worth it sa price. Yung area, ganda. Good morning.
Good morning.
Brother.
Morning, Malaysia.
Morning, brother. Morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Kasi ang ganda na nila, Christmas tree, malaki. Mataas. Yeah, ang daming food. Sa morning. Bibidyohan natin mamaya. Parang oh my God, yung food. Paiba. Mabubusog ka. Sobra.
Yan ma, mas taga-swimming mo lang.
Yun yung ko. So, our plan for today is, guys, mag-morning breakfast kami and then pahinga a little bit and then kami swimming dito sa swimming pool and after swimming, magpahinga kasi meron kaming trip 1:45 mamaya and kami like darating kami uli dito or babalik kami sa hotel is 9:30 ng gabi.
tall buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
We go swimming, guys. Yung tatlong kapatid nandun sa room nila at ayaw nilang maligo. So, dito lang kami sa swimming pool. Naligo ni Habi. Pumunta kami ni Habi dyan, guys, kasi naghahanap kami ng mag-food spa sa kanya. And yung napuntahan namin na yan is massage lang sila. Tinuro kami sa kabila kasi nandun yung food spa.